How to assemble the CW3000S. Before you watch this video, make sure you have the following tools. Place the hopper body on the table so that the gearbox is pointing upwards. Take the bolts out of the main frame. You will use these to attach the backstand to the hopper body and main frame. Remove the nuts from the bolt ends. Take the backstand and align it with the holes on the main frame. Place the 4 bolts through the holes available. Use a spanner to tighten the lock nuts. The backstand should now be securely attached to the hopper body and frame. Take the pneumatic wheels and slide them over the axles on each side of the main frame. You will also need the 2 cotter pins that sit inside the parts bag. Align the hole on the inside of the pneumatic wheel with the hole on the axle. Take the large cotter pin and thread it through the 2 holes. After threading the cotter pin through the 2 holes, use a pair of pliers to pull apart the 2 ends of the cotter pin. The wheel will then be secured in place. Take the small cotter pin and place it through the hole on the outside of the other wheel. Once in position, use the same pliers to split the ends of the cotter pin to hold the wheel in place. Turn the hopper body and main frame over so that the spreader sits on its wheels and backstand. Take the handlebar and slide it down the 2 ends of the backstand. Align the holes on the handlebar and on the backstand. Thread the 4 remaining bolts through the holes on the handlebar and the backstand. Take the bent end of the control rod and thread it through the hole at the back of the pivot bracket. It should lock into place. Take the other end of the control rod and align it with the hole on the on-off mechanism of the handlebar. Push the on-off lever all the way to and then hand tighten the screw. If the application hole is fully open and the lever is set at 20, tighten the screw so that the control rod is secure. To fit the mesh grill to the hopper, place the side which doesn't have the mesh grill lock on in the brackets provided on the far side of the hopper. Lock the grill in place by turning the mesh grill lock anti-clockwise. Make sure the slider at the bottom of the hopper is fully open. Your CW3000S is now complete.